So we're getting ready to go into the playroom so that you can see the before picture, because we're getting ready for Summer Camp Mercado 2019. So let's take a look. I have my husband working on some projects for me. Say hi, boys.
Hi. Look,
The playroom. Okay, so this is the little playroom that they have, and we are going to change some stuff around. We're gonna paint this whole room, and these shelves, we're gonna remove them. And I actually bought the closet rail system to put it here in this area so it could look cleaner and just more streamlined, and not with all the mismatched furniture that we just put in here to kind of store and organize everything. So this is gonna get a big change. As you can see, we have a lot of toys just packed in here, and this pretty much, we're just gonna clean it up a little bit, but it's gonna stay the same. And up here, we are gonna, of course, take this out. We just use it sometimes to do some photos, but we're gonna put a long shelf along here to put some of the Star Wars stuff that we don't want the kids to be touching all the time. So this is the playroom, and pretty soon is going to be brand new and different. Are you guys excited about that?
What you doing, babe?
So even though we covered this entire floor with the plastic to protect it from paint, there's still paint on it. So I'm using a magic eraser to just wipe off some of the paint that fell on the floor. I still haven't painted this part because this is very sentimental. This was Logan's first little play space mural, and we've moved it around with us. We've had it in different places, and we're saying goodbye to it, and I just can't. Those are his baby years, and Blake and Dylan. And that's it. This room is complete, and I'm so happy. Everything turned out great. The room, it looks refreshed and brighter since we made it a little bit lighter than before. And now I can breathe again because I'm constantly cleaning and trying to make everything clean and nice for my kids. So now I feel much better with this room. And now it's ready to be used for our Mercado Space Camp. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe and check out some of my other videos. See you next time.